I love the way I look. You can't talk to me anyhow. I just love this. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ADETOLA. Oh my god. This is one collaboration that I am extremely happy about. By the title, you can already tell what this video is all about. It's the Nyma Tang X Dose of Colors collaboration. This is what the packaging looks like, and I cannot wait to get into this video. If you are really interested in seeing how I am going to swatch these lip colors, as you can see, I have nothing on my lips right now. This has nothing, absolutely nothing. This is the color of my lips. My lips are dark, and you are going to see how these look on me. I cannot wait to show you. I am really excited. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for deciding to watch this video today. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Just look at Nyma. Look at her. Oh my god. Isn't she so beautiful? Look at her. Look at her. I decided to go ahead and get one set. So here's a coral set, right? And here is the nude set. Which color do you think, which set do you think I actually got? I want you to pause and type it in the comments. Alright, I won't keep you waiting any longer. So, to a lot of you guys that know me pretty well, to your surprise, I actually went ahead and I got the nude set, and this is what it looks like. It comes with 4 absolutely yummy chocolate colors. Oh, I have not used any of these colors yet, so I can't wait to get into the video with you. So this set goes for $49 on Dose of Colors website, and unfortunately for now you cannot order any one of these items individually. I'm hoping that they will decide to sell them individually. We do have the lipstick. Okay, this is so pretty. Look at the color of the lipstick. Just look at that. Look at that. And I'm going to swatch each one of these at the back of my hand so that you can see what they look like, especially on me and my skin tone. My swatches are not absolutely the best, but this is the color of the lipstick. And as you can see, this is, come on, there you go. It's a true nude. We've been waiting for this for quite a while. Yep. Here is the liquid matte lipstick. I just love the aesthetics of this whole look. So pretty. Yeah, this is a true chocolate liquid matte lipstick. And that's what that looks like. And then, y'all know that I love me a good lip gloss. So here's a lip gloss, okay? And I'm going to take it out. And let's swatch the lip gloss. Oh, girl, this melts my heart. This is so pretty. Look at the color of that lip gloss. It actually has a smell. Now that I think about it, I remember she had mentioned in her video that it has a smell. I like it. I don't remember what it is. I don't know if it's like chai. I don't remember. I really don't. And here is the chocolate chip lip liner. Okay. And again, this is what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and swatch it. Let me swatch this right next to the lipstick. So here's a lip liner. My camera will decide to focus. So we have lip liner, lipstick, liquid matte, and then the lip gloss. All in that order. This from this end. There we go. Look at those colors. Think about it. Why don't we go ahead and start with the lipstick? Because I didn't apply anything on the lips right now. So here's the lipstick. And this feels and looks so good. Can you all see this? Can you see what I see? If you don't ask me to stop, I would go on and on and on and on and on. Alright, I like that. I like it a lot. This is a true nude color for us chocolate girls. Let me apply the lip liner. This is the chocolate chip lip liner. Okay. I know you already think that I have a lip liner on, but I don't. These are my lips. So let's go ahead. I don't have any lip liner on, so we're going to go ahead and apply this. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this dark on my lips. So that's a good thing. A little goes a long way.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you mess?
I was not expecting this lip liner to look this dark, but it is pretty dark. Okay, this is pretty dark, and I like it. So let me tell you a secret. So for those of us that have been using, you know, our eyeliners as lip liners, you will find this very, very helpful. However, if you do not like your lip liner to be extremely dark, I don't know what to tell you, because I am really loving this. And what I would do is I would probably just go ahead and line my lips a little bit more, because I wouldn't like the separation between the two. So if you see, let's do this.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
This is more like it. So you see, if I were to wear this lip liner, I would have to use this a little bit more. And let's take it up even more. This is how I would wear it, to be quite honest, because I feel like I can wear this lip liner just by itself. It's creamy and it's a really, really nice chocolate color. It's really nice. So what we're gonna do next is, let's see what it looks like if I put the lip gloss on top of it and then when I remove everything off. Okay, how about that? So here's the lip gloss, okay? So I have the lip liner, the lipstick, and we're gonna put on some lip gloss.
Cause I gotta know. Any night, any day.
Oh my god. Look at how pretty this is. Look at this combo. Ugh. Just look at that. I love the way I look. You can't talk to me anyhow. I just love this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at it. This is a real chocolate. I really do love it a lot. Look at this. Can you see that I can't stop looking at myself? This is so pretty. Alright, let's do the liquid matte lipstick. I saved the best for the last, I'm sure. Let's go ahead and remove all this. Just let's see what this looks like. So I'm gonna line my lips first.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all that
I typically would not wear dark lips. Oh my god. But this is so tempting. I can see myself wearing this. Probably more if you ask me in the fall. I don't know that I would wear this during the summer. Unless maybe I was going out for dinner, maybe. Maybe I was hanging out with the girls for dinner, for drinks. But this I have never worn a color this dark on my lips, and I love it. It just makes me feel so good. Oh, Nyma, you did this. Do some colors. You did this. And I am here for it. Okay, so now let me tell you another secret. I'm not a fan of liquid lipsticks, but I love the way this feels. And this is my honest opinion. I love the way this feels on my lips. Yeah, I really do. This is really good. I like it. I like it. Alright, so I'm not going to take this off of my lips. I probably will take some pictures and yeah, enjoy the rest of the day with this. I love it. I really do. I really do. I really do. Alright, let me behave. 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 This set honestly is worth a whole lot more, and the shipping was pretty fast. And I can't say any more about this whole set. I can see myself wearing it over and over again, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Alright, so this brings us pretty much to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Congratulations, Nyma. I'm sure you've heard that over and over again, but I'm sure you would never get tired of hearing this. We are so happy for this collection. And yeah, I will see you guys again in the next video by God's grace. Y'all take care and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn out.